Hi guys, this is Dawn and welcome back to Livin the Newcomb Life. This is just going to be a quick demonstration on the best way or the easiest way to refresh a bathroom. So we've lived in our house for over 20 years and we've upgraded many times throughout the years. But one of the things in a bathroom that needs to be upgraded every so many years is the toilet seat. New innovations come out all the time. For instance, the one that we're going to replace today, the one that I have on here, is made out of a wood product, where the new one that I've gotten is made out of a plastic product. Easier to clean. It also has slow close, which is amazing. So if you go to close the toilet seat and you let go of it or it slips out of your hand, it doesn't slam shut. The one that we have on here now, literally you pick it up, you drop it, and it just closes. So we're going to upgrade this toilet seat today. Now there are a couple things when you're picking a toilet seat for your bathroom. There's a couple things you need to know. The number one thing that you would need to know is whether your toilet is round or whether it's elongated or oblong or oval. Sometimes they call it any of the three things. My toilet happens to be a round toilet, and this particular toilet seat has the slow close, and it also has an easy clean feature where you can literally kind of unsnap the toilet seat from the back of the toilet when you're cleaning, so that you can clean around the hinges in the back. Let's get on with changing this toilet seat out. So I purchased this toilet seat at Lowe's, and it was right around $30. So not terribly expensive to give a nice refresh to my bathroom. So here we have the toilet seat, fairly simple design, and I'm going to crawl on down here. So we have our instructions. So here are our parts. So what we first need to do is to take the old toilet seat off. Now every toilet seat kind of has their own way of putting the toilet seat on or taking it off. And your toilet seat may actually come with a tool, or it may just require standard tools, sometimes a flathead screwdriver, sometimes a wrench. Now, we have already loosened this toilet seat. So right under here are a couple of little kind of nuts. So this is the nut that was underneath the toilet seat. And you probably could have just finger tightened this. But you do want to make sure that it's pretty tight so that your toilet seat doesn't rock around, because I don't know about you, but I hate when the toilet seat slides around. So we're going to take off the second nut down here. And we have our two nuts. And there is our toilet. Okay, so as you can see, there's a little bit of dirt here that was underneath those hinges on that old toilet seat. So I'm going to take a Clorox wipe and just clean that up so that when we put the new seat on, there's nothing underneath. Okay. So what we want to do is take this toilet seat. You can see there are these little hinges here, and this is made for easy cleaning. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these little like a little fitting, and we're going to slide it in to each one of those brackets all the way in. Now we're going to take this toilet seat and we're going to place it so that these holes here line up with the holes that are in the actual toilet. So we're going to sit it on top, make sure it is aligned the way that we wish for it to be aligned, front, side, all of that. We're going to take these little bolts and we're going to place them down in here. Okay. And so these bolts actually are shaped kind of like a football with flat sides, and the flat sides actually kind of lock down into that hole. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take this little, it's essentially a washer is what this is. And it fits on the bottom side of the bolt. And then this works like a nut and screws onto the bottom of the bolt. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to screw it in until it is tight. So as you can hear, it's getting tight. So we're going to leave it at that. And then we're going to do the other side. Now we want to make sure that once again our toilet seat is exactly where we'd like it to be. We're going to get it finger tight. This toilet seat is made to just finger tighten. So the screws or the bolts that go down in there are actually flat on both sides, so they actually fit down into those fittings that are in there and stay stationary. So when you turn the bolt at the bottom, this bolt on the top stays stationary. So essentially what you want to do is just give it a nice tighten with your fingers until it won't turn anymore. And then there's these cool little flaps. So all you have to do is close this flap down and your toilet seat is ready to go with a slow close, so there's no slam. And then if you need to clean the toilet seat, you can literally pop these open and slide the toilet seat forward and take your toilet seat off. Clean around that area, slide the toilet seat back on, push the clips down, and you are all set to go. So that's all I have today. If you have any questions, let us know. If you have any suggestions on a great toilet seat that you've been using or a great toilet that you just love, because someday we're going to replace out all these toilets. These are builder grade toilets and over 20 years old. So let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you all. If you like this video, please hit the like button. We'd love to have you along on our journey. And we'd love to see you back on the next video. So we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks. Have a great day.